Hello, brothers and sisters, and welcome to another time of Bible teaching. Grab your Bible. It's going to be a quickie. Somebody sent me a video, and there's a couple things in it that I was just like, oh my goodness, I can't believe he's saying this. So one of them, and so I just want to make some quick notes. So in case you see something like this, you know that it's questionable, highly suspect, thus everything else they have to say is highly suspect. He was saying tribulation cannot start anytime soon because we know that the covenant that's going to be confirmed in Daniel contains the temple being rebuilt. And there's no way the temple can be rebuilt in the current climate situation there is in Israel. That something drastic has to change. Where does it say that the temple being rebuilt is connected to the covenant of Daniel 9:27? Let's open up our Bibles and take a look and see if it's there. Maybe I missed something. It's possible I missed something. Let's open up the Bibles. So we're going to be going to Daniel 9:27. All right, then he, the Antichrist, shall confirm a covenant with many for 1 week. But in the middle of the week, he shall bring an end to the sacrifice and offering. And on the wing of abomination shall be one who makes desolate. There's the abomination of desolation there. Even until the consumption which is determined is poured out on the desolate. Where does it say anything about building the temple? Okay, I get it. That right here. In order to end the sacrifice, you have to be doing them. In order to do the sacrifice, you need a temple. When did the sacrifice get ended? 30 days before the midpoint of tribulation. You get that in Daniel 12. In Daniel 12. I know we've gone here so many times. Blessed is I'm sorry, and from the time that the daily sacrifice is taken away, the abomination of desolation, and the abomination of desolation is set up, there shall be 1,290 days. That's an extra 30 days. That's 30 days before the midpoint. The temple doesn't have to be up until then. So for someone to look at Daniel and say, tribulation can't start anytime soon because the temple has to come with its covenant. Take that as any other piece of paper. You take it, you wad it up, and you throw it away. It's garbage. Seriously, it doesn't say that. You're making it up. Tribulation could start on Yom Kippur after the rapture starts on Rosh Hashanah in less than 2 weeks. It doesn't mean it has to. I'm not saying that the rapture has to be in 2024, but it sure looks like it. Anyhow, thank you so much. God bless you. Have a great day.